Hey there, I'm Eric Holmlund, and I'd like to talk to you for a moment about how you can thrive during this difficult time for so many businesses. The COVID-19 virus is affecting us all in different ways, and certainly a lot of businesses are suffering. That goes for both online and offline businesses. I've been doing business online since 1999, and I also have an offline local business. So if you've got an offline business, I feel your pain too. I've tried a lot of different business models. I've made many millions of dollars online, and I continue to have a very successful business to this day. But there is one business model I've found that is largely immune to these kind of events. In fact, my business continued to grow and bring in millions of dollars during the Great Recession and the years following it. I call this business model information marketing. It doesn't depend on any sort of global supply chain. And based on my experience, people continue to spend money on this even in times of economic downturn. Certain sub-niches of the information marketing business may suffer for a period of time, but the business model as a whole remains rock solid, and there are always opportunities to make money with it. So here's what I'd like to help you with today. I'd like to help you grow your information marketing business if you already have one, or start one if you don't yet have one. Right now, many kids are being kept home from schools. Many employees are being kept home away from their jobs. And many businesses have been forced to temporarily close or to drastically modify the way that they do business. A lot of people are in panic mode right now. A lot of people are in survival mode right now. It seems like most businesses are in survival mode. But I'm here to tell you that you don't have to be just surviving. You can actually be thriving. While others are just kind of trying to survive and pass the time until they can go back to work, you can actually be building a new income stream during this time. In fact, I have a shortcut for you today that's going to allow you to quickly build this business, even if you have no experience doing this kind of thing. The first part of my shortcut is called Real Web Property Ingredients. Over the years, I've helped thousands of people successfully build new online businesses, so I'm well aware of the obstacles that hold most people back. Obstacles like choosing a niche, selecting a good domain name, creating a product, creating graphics, and creating a lead capture page to start building a list. Real Web Property Ingredients is a shortcut past many of those obstacles. We've done a lot of the groundwork for you, so if you don't yet have your own online business, we're basically handing you one on a silver platter. I started off by researching and selecting a very wide variety of profitable online niches, including the ones listed here. I personally acquired premium domain names for all of those niches. And when I say premium, I mean it. I recently sold one of these domains for $2,800 for just the domain with no website. We've also created unique graphics for each and every one of them. We're including 5 targeted articles for your chosen niche just to help you get started with content. We've included a lead magnet and a squeeze page with instructions on how to use them to start building a list immediately. Next, we're including a digital information product that you can sell into the specific niche that the website is targeted for. And to make it easy to get your product set up and ready to sell, we're including a sales page and download page too. So instead of having to spend a ton of time and or money researching and developing a product from scratch, we've taken care of that for you. Again, it's an obstacle that you now won't have to worry about. We also created new graphics for each product, so each of our customers will have unique product graphics that were made just for their site and are shared with no one else. Now, we didn't stop there because we also wanted to give you tools to automate the content, traffic, and monetization of your website. So we've included a massive collection of premium plugins available in our members area. Here are some of the plugins that can add content from many different sources to your WordPress site on autopilot. And content is still king when it comes to getting free traffic. You'll have plugins to get automated content from all the sources that you see here. You're also getting several plugins designed to easily add affiliate monetization to your site, such as Amazon, AliExpress, CareerJet, ClickBank, Commission Junction, eBay, and Walmart. So how do you make money from one of these websites? Multiple streams of income. You've got your own product sales, affiliate commissions, a subscriber list, lead generation. One way to monetize leads, by the way, is to sell them directly to a business. But another way to do it is you can rent your site to a local business for a monthly or annual fee. A common rate would be in the range of $250 to $2,000 a month. Service sales is another method of monetization. And then there's also what I call the big sale. In other words, an acquisition as your exit strategy. By creating an authority site in a niche, it can be sold to a larger business for 5 figures, 6 figures, and in some cases, even 7 figures. The value of a Real Web Property Ingredients package is $4,267, as you can see the breakdown here. As I mentioned, these domains are truly good ones. I've sold some for thousands and some for many hundreds of dollars. And yes, we're going to transfer the domain directly to you, so you will have 100% ownership of it. Our normal price for this package is $1,997, but today I'm going to let you have one for only $37. Seriously. You're probably wondering, why on earth would I do that? Why would I let you have all of this for only $37 and transfer full ownership of it to you? Well, I'll explain exactly why. Have you ever heard of a loss leader? It's when a company sells something at a loss in order to get a new customer. That's what this is. I'm actually taking a loss on this. For each and every person who takes me up on this $37 special, I'm losing money. And I'm doing it because I want you to be my long-term customer. More specifically, I want you to be a member of my Inner Profit Circle coaching program. This is a friendly bribe to get you through the door. Today, when you grab this incredible offer for just $37, you'll also be getting 1 month of access to my Inner Profit Circle, which I'll explain in a moment. The value of my Inner Profit Circle is tremendous, and I'm very confident that you'll want to keep being a part of it. So if you decide to keep being a part of it, 1 month from now, you'll be billed $97 a month. That's the price to be a member, and that's why I'm offering this friendly bribe today. I think you're going to love it, but if you don't, you can cancel anytime before 30 days is up and you won't be billed again. That's the risk I'm taking. As I said, I'm losing money on each of these Real Web Property Ingredients packages, and yet it's yours to keep as your gift from me no matter what you decide. Okay, so now I'll tell you about my Inner Profit Circle. Real Web Property is my solution for overcoming the initial obstacles of getting this business started. But what about everything that happens after that? What about actually running your business and building it for the long term? For that, I have another solution to help you with anything and everything related to actually running and building this business. And that solution is the Inner Profit Circle, which fits together with my Real Web Property solution to create the ultimate success system like you've never seen before. The Inner Profit Circle is my exclusive coaching program where I will personally be coaching and mentoring you to achieve the kind of profitable business that you want to have. Whether you're just starting out or if you're an expert and you're looking to expand your business, I'll be able to help you do that. You'll learn how to find the money spot within your niche, how to have the right product, how to get the web traffic you need, how to avoid distractions, be more productive, and actually get stuff done. Of course, that's just the tip of the iceberg, but I wanted to make sure you know that literally all those problems that we talked about will be covered in depth. And since you'll have access to me, you'll be sure to overcome those obstacles and stay on the right track. You'll be getting live coaching sessions with me at least twice a month. That's a $1,200 value per year. I've also brought on a partner to help with this program, and his name is Ryan Green. So not only will you have access to me, you'll have access to him as well. He's got the technical skills in case you need help with any technical issues, and he also has some specific online business experience that I don't have. So we make a good team. You'll get access to both of us on the live coaching sessions as well as in our private Facebook group. And yes, I will actually be involved in the private Facebook group, and I will be answering questions there as well. In fact, I answer questions very frequently for our current members. It's also a community where you'll be able to get the accountability and support that you need while networking with other successful online entrepreneurs. That's a $1,200 value. You're also going to get the weekly plan, which is a series of 50 weekly assignments created personally by me to take you through the process of building your information marketing business with multiple streams of income in just 1 year. If I value that at just, say, $30 a week, that's a $1,500 value. You're also getting access to a complete library of additional training courses on topics like web traffic, copywriting, product development, and much more. That's another $1,000 value at least. Now, one of my favorite features is the download area. We add something new for you to download every day. Yes, that's every day, 365 days a year. With some exceptions, we will generally follow this schedule for adding new products. Sunday is Source Sunday, which is a PLR product with the source file. Monday is Magnet Monday. That's a lead magnet to use for building your list. Tuesday is Topical Tuesday, which is a niche product for you to sell. Written Wednesday is PLR article packs. That's private label rights article packs. So you can use those for content, lead magnets, basically whatever you want. Theme Thursday will include something like a WordPress theme, a web template, or graphics package. Freebie Friday is a lead magnet with a squeeze page that you can use to immediately start building lists in various niches. And Subject Saturday is another package of private label rights articles. And by the way, when you join during my special offer today, you'll also receive instant access to all of the products that we've already added to the members area. We give each resellable product a brand new e-cover created by our design team. Additionally, once a month, we add a brand new original PLR package that has never been seen before. So there's actually a built-in monthly PLR membership with the Inner Profit Circle. Even if we put it at a super low $5 value per product, that would be $1,850 of annual value. Plus, as long as you remain a member, you'll receive free access to any and all products that I personally launch without other partners. Whether it's $9 or $997, you get it for free if you're a member of the Inner Profit Circle. So the total value of the Inner Profit Circle is $7,250 per year. Would you like to access all of that? The value of the Inner Profit Circle is $7,250 per year. And if we add in the Real Web Property Ingredients package, that's a total value of $11,517. And today you can have all of it for just $37. As I explained, if you decide to remain a member, you'll be billed $97 a month starting 1 month from now. If you decide it's not for you, you can cancel anytime in the first 30 days and you won't be billed again. In order to join now, just click the order button below this video. From there, you'll be taken through a secure checkout through ClickBank where you can pay with a credit card or with PayPal. One last thing I need to let you know is that this is truly a limited offer. We literally have a limited number of Real Web Property Ingredients packages available. Each and every one is totally unique. Only one person can claim each domain. So once a domain has been claimed, it's removed from the inventory. Once all the domains are claimed, we'll be shutting down this offer forever. At that point, if you want a real web property, you'd have to pay our normal price of $1,997. And if you want to join the Inner Profit Circle, you'd have to pay the full price with no free month included. By the way, here's how you'll claim your Real Web Property Ingredients package. When you sign up now, you'll get instant access to the Inner Profit Circle members area. In that members area, you'll receive a special coupon to receive $1,997 off the price of your Real Web Property Ingredients package. You can then come back to our Real Web Property Marketplace and choose any available site. Most of them are priced at $1,997. So you'll be able to check out, use the coupon, and claim your site without making any further payment. We do guarantee that if you're seeing this offer now, we do have properties available at the $1,997 price, which means it'll be fully paid for by your $37 payment today. If you have any questions, I encourage you to check out the frequently asked questions below. And then if you still have any questions, just get in touch with us at my help desk by opening a ticket at ericsupport.com. All right, I hope to see you in the members area so I can coach you and help you build a profitable online business. Join now by clicking the order button below this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the inside.